What's going on, guys? We've got this Chevy Aveo. We're going to be changing the headlight bulbs in this car. So this is the 2011 Aveo. So we disconnect the electrical connector and then the rubber boot comes right out. And the bulb itself, you just rotate it.
No, it's a clip.
Oh, there's a clip there?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Let me see what the driver's side one looks like. When you disconnect this, you may want to use this opportunity to inspect the pins on the connector. Sometimes the headlight bulb will be okay, but there'll be corrosion or burnt out contacts here, and that can cause your headlights to not work. And removing the boot here. And finally, there is a wire clip. So you just, you actually squeeze these two tabs of the clip together. What's the part number on this?
9003.
So this is a 9003 bulb. Let me make sure I get that clip all the way out. There we go. So I've got my new bulb here, and I'm taking care to not touch the glass as I push it into position. And the bulb is in. Now I reinstall the boot. And then finally, I install the clip. So that's that. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know if you have any questions or any advice about changing the headlight bulbs on your 2011 Aveo. Do the high beams? Yeah, they're good.